everyone, this is Zaid Abbas and welcome to my new YouTube channel IT Assignment Professor. Today I am going to start new assignment, that is New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 1, end of the module Project 2. Yesterday we have completed the Project 1 and today we are going to start the Project 2. And you can download these two files, one is the Excel file and one is the Word file from the same website. I have already downloaded these two files, so let's start from the beginning. In first paragraph he is just saying that save your file, download and save your file with the new name. So as we have previously done this, go to file, go to save as, go to browse and just replace this one with 2. Click on the save button. So we have completed this paragraph as per the instruction. So we will move to the next question. Verdi Hansen is a student in an electrician training program. As a part of her internship, Otis McMally Electric, she used Excel to update price estimates for project that the company is bidding on. Begin on the wall word worksheet by inserting a new column to the left of the column C and select the format as right column button from the insert column option menu. Then change the width of the new column to 2.25. Okay, so first of all we need to go on the Excel sheet, go to the column C, right click and click on the insert and then click format as the right. Okay, so also we need to change the width, so click right, click on the width, column width 2.25, click on OK. Okay, so we have completed this question and now we will move to the next question, that is, let me highlight this. Cut the content of the range A16 to B19 and paste them into the range A12 to B15. So copy this range, Control C, paste here so that we can know that what is the range. So this is the range we need to copy and then paste into the other range A12 B15. Okay, so just right click from the mouse and then go to the cut button and then select to other range A12 B15. This is A12 and B15 here. Just press the Control V from this keyboard so that our values will be moved from one place to another place. Okay, so this question is complete. The next question is adjust the width of the column B14. So go on the Excel sheet, click on column B, right click, click on column width, press 14 from keyboard and then OK. So we have done this. The next question is adjust the height of the row 1 to 24. So go on the Excel sheet, this is our row 1, right click, go on to the row height, press 14 and then OK. One more thing I want to tell you that these are the rows and these are the column A, B, C, D, so on. These are the column and 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the rows. Okay, if you want to change the width, height, you need to click here, and if you want to change the width, you need to click here. Okay, so we have completed this question. and go on to the next question. Select cell A4 and D4 and then change the font size 12. We need to change the font size of A4 and D4. This is column number A and row number 4. A4 to D4, 12 points. Okay, we have done this. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Enter the values shown in table 1 into the corresponding cell in the range F6 to G19. We need to put these values in the range of F6 to G9 one by one. So these are the values easily we can write down by manually 1 1 2 2. So F6, we will start from the F6. This is F column 1, press enter, 1, press enter, 2 and 2. Okay, and here we need to put the values, these, copy these values, press enter, then go to the instruction sheet and copy this and paste the value here. Next two values are same, so we can easily write down by manually 42.50, 42.50, enter, 42.50, enter. So we have completed this question. Now move to the next question. In D7, change the content to read senior electrician instead of just electrician. So we need to copy this senior electrician, control C by, and go to this D7. This is our D7 cell. So just paste the value that we have copied from the instruction sheet. Okay, we have completed this. Now next question, question number 8. In cell H10, create a formula to total the cost of the labor for the current estimate by using the auto sum button to sum the value in the range H6 to H9. Okay, so just copy the range, control C, go to the H10 cell. This is H column and we need to go H10 here. Okay, so we will create a formula here, is equal to sum function already appear, just paste the value, bracket close, press enter. Okay, so we have done this. Now next, in question number 9, select the formula in the cell H6 and then copy it to the range H7 to H9. We need to copy the formula from H6. Okay, then copy it to H7 to H9. Okay, H6. This is our H6. Just drag down here. Okay, this question is complete. Question number 9. Now I'm going to move to the question number 10. In cell B12, add or call reference to the value of cell B10. Okay, we need to add the value of B10 in the cell number B12. Go to B12, B12. This is our B12 cell number, and we need to copy the value from cell B10, is equal to B10, enter. Okay, just press is equal to and then click on the B10 cell number, then press enter. Simple. So now I am going to move on the next question. Question number 11. In cell B13, add a call reference to the value of the cell H10. Go to the cell B13. This is our B13, and we need to call reference the value of H10. Simply press is equal to H10. This is our H10. Press enter. Okay, done. The next question is, in cell B14, enter a formula that first add the value of cell B12 and B13 and then multiply the result by 0.15. So first of all, we will add these values B12 and B13 in cell B14 and then multiply the result with 0.15. Simply go to the cell number B14, press is equal to sum function B12 plus B13 bracket close multiply 0.15. Press enter. Okay, so this question is complete. Question number 12. So 12 questions are completed. 4 questions are remaining left. I will complete for you. If you have an assignment like this, you can share with me. I will complete for you. Okay. Now I am going to show the final look of our assignment. Our final assignment will be look like this. Okay. So if you have assignment, you can share with me. My WhatsApp number and email is mentioned in the description. You can contact with me 24/7 anytime. Feel free for contact. Thank you. We will meet in the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much. Goodbye.